Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2016 Kawasaki Vulcan S with ABS brakes, 650cc twin-cylinder liquid-cooled fuel injection. This has got the front running lights, little mini cafe fairing. That's a quick release, by the way. Viking saddlebags. Only 7,262 miles on this gorgeous black and green Vulcan S. 6-speed transmission. Make your cruiser dreams come true for just $67.99. We have financing. We have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.